In this video, I'm about to show you how to get Brawl Stars Lucky Creator Codes 2025. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So unlike many other F2P games using the code system, Brawl Stars touch it to a whole new level. The developers have made it mutually beneficial to encourage both players and content creators to support each other. So this is a great way to keep them working on fresh updates. So as you can see, these are the codes. If you have recently started playing the title and do not know how much about the possible rewards, we have you covered by activating Brawl Stars codes. You can possibly earn gems and star points or join custom game rooms. We bet you are mainly interested in getting free gems, as this currency is super rare and is mainly available for paying real money. However, there is another way you can receive them. We offer the cheapest Brawl Stars gems with these codes. So as you can see, just keep in mind that once you use a code, you can't use it again. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.